So, para po ito sa 12 zodiac sign. Okay? Kung makarelate kayo, salamat. Kasi bukas yung portal. So, bigyan ko kayo ng reading. Yan ha? Okay. For the next 7 days. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Two of Wands. Yan ha? It's about planning. You are planning. May kukontakin ba kayo? Yan ha? Okay. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Page of Cups. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, sino kukontakin ninyo? Okay? Relatives, your person, or it's about planning for yourself. Diba? Yung gagawin ninyo. So, narito ang the High Priestess. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, it's like merong communication. Okay? Yan. Abundance coming your way. Yan ha? Maybe a good news. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, manifesting. Maybe it has something to do about your health, about money, work, diba? Or meeting person. Baka may imimit kayong person. So, ito ay, sandali lang ha. Meron ditong the lovers. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, it's like, merong, I don't know, maybe they are watching you on media. Diba? They are watching your social media. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, this person will offer you. Okay? Yan. Kokontakin kayo nito. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin, anong i-offer niya sa inyo? Maybe love, maybe a work, di ba? Friendship, di ba? A relationship. Or, sabihin natin, as it's something to do about your health, maybe from your doctor. Okay? Yan. So, let's see. Yan. Maybe they will invite you. Okay, yan. Ibig sabihin nito yung, kumbaga dito, it's like, nagjajagal kayo. Hindi pa ninyo alam, okay? Kung tatanggapin ninyo, kung ano itong iaalok na ito. Di ba? Yan, oh. Okay? Hindi nyo pa alam. Ha? Yan. May mag-aalok sa inyo. Di ba? So, pag-iisipan nyo muna. So, ibig sabihin nito, take your time. Yan. Hindi naman ito minamadali, di ba? It's like an offer lang. Okay? May mag-o-offer. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, ito'y malaki ang magagawa. Kung ano ang offer ng taong ito sa inyo. Yan ha? Okay. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na malaki ang magagawa nitong tulong. Okay? Halimbawa, tulong, malaking tulong na financial ito para sa inyo. Diba? Maybe it has something to do about health. Maaring ito'y tinatawag na baka merong suggestion ang doktor. Diba? Yan, pinag-iisipan yung mabuti. Okay? Or maaari ito yung tinatawag na it has something to do about relationship, 'di ba? Yan. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, may magagawa itong malaking tulong. Yan na. It's like pagbabago, okay? Sa inyo kung ano man itong nararanasan nyo dito, 'di ba? So hintayin ninyo, okay? Kasi meron dito tinatawag na High Priestess, okay? So meron dito, it's like tinatawag na yan, you will it's like maybe you need time to think, okay? Yan. Para makapag-isip kayo, makapag-desisyon ng tama. Diba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na maybe you will receive a mail, okay? Or maaring from your, kung sino itong batang ito, okay? Maybe you have an admirers, I think so, okay? or sabi na natin they are interested. Kaya it seems mas bata ito sa inyo, di ba? Yan. Kasi kumbaga dito tinatawag na they see something about you, di ba? Yan. It's like malaki, meron kang malaking potential. Yan. Kumbaga dito na-attract sila, di ba? Yan. So ibig sabihin nito, they will offer, okay? It's like they will offer you something. Yan ha. Na ito is tinatawag very very tempting. Pero ito yung tinatawag, baka itong hinihintay ninyo, di ba? Maybe you are waiting for a sponsor, di ba? Yan. Or maybe you are waiting for an investor, di ba? Or tinatawag na mag-invest sa inyo, mga kapital sa inyo, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na will give you support and help. Maybe you need support or help, di ba? So ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na don't just give your tinatawag na oo, okay? You have to give it the time. Yan ha. So that's what I see for you. Yan ha.